What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled Teens Thought Their Sephora Shoplifting Spree Went Unnoticed.
On April 10th, 2025, officers responded to a Kohl's for a call of three 18-year-old females shoplifting.
Sephora, and I was gonna buy a concealer, and then I was opening to try my shade, which is on my hand, and then she was like, "Oh, are you gonna take it?" And I'm like, "No, I'm not gonna take it." So then she started assuming that I was like gonna steal the stuff from Sephora. So then I went up to one of the workers from there, and I gave her the concealer, and I was like, "Look, like, so you could know I'm not taking anything." And then I just left the store.
Okay, because she's like saying that you guys took like necklaces and makeup.
No, we didn't even get through like the actual call.
We actually told her, and
Yeah.
she didn't say anything.
She didn't say anything. She said, she was like, "Sorry about my coworkers' actions," and I was like, "No, you just need to make sure that they're not making it like seem like we're trying to steal anything."
Yeah.
You know, so that's why I gave her like the concealer back, and she took it back. You couldn't even go and ask her. I gave her the concealer, and it was like this spray sanitizer thing. And I just gave it back to her, and she just took it back. Yeah.
So you never took anything.
Oh no, we
Okay.
we went to an Ulta, but we bought the stuff there and everything. They see me buy everything. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you mind staying back with her? I'm gonna go talk to her. Okay.
Can you stop digging your bag?
She's looking for her phone.
Okay, I don't want her digging in her bag. I don't know what's in the
You can
car.
literally open the door if you want. I don't care. No, I'm just being honest. Like, if you want to look.
Alright, I'm not gonna go searching through your car, but I don't.
need a warrant
I
if
don't
you're gonna
know.
look at my car. But
I didn't say. Okay, first of all, I'm not gonna do the attitude.
Okay.
I'm not gonna have her sitting here digging her
Okay.
bag when I don't know what's in the car. Got it?
Well, I'm telling
Great.
you.
Okay, and I'm telling
she's
you.
looking for her phone.
I'm telling you, I don't care what she's looking for. I don't want her digging her bag when I don't know what's in the car.
That's fine.
So lose the attitude. Thank you.
Okay. I'm just like feel like I'm being targeted, but if you want.
Why are you being targeted? Because I asked her to stop digging through her bag?
And I told you why she was digging into her
Okay,
bag.
and I'm telling you, I don't
Okay,
care
I'm
because I don't
sorry.
know what's in the car.
I apologize. I'm not giving attitude. It's just the fact that she's like, oh, hey, like, you know, like, I understand why. Okay.
Drop
I
it.
just don't understand.
Okay, nobody's
Drop
targeting you. You got
it.
called here because you guys were allegedly doing something. That's why we're
Okay,
here.
I'm sorry. No, we understand.
Damn, she keep talking about drop it. Drop it. How hard is that? On to the next conversation. Drop it.
We understand. Yeah, we understand.
Did they tell you what's going on?
I'm like really confused because we went to Sephora and I was getting stuff and they even give me a little bag, and then after like a girl, like I seen that she was like walking around behind me, so then I went up to her and I was like, here, like I'm not gonna take this just to make sure because I feel like you're thinking that I'm gonna steal it. So I gave it back to her. She was like, thank you so much for giving it back to me. And I was like, just tell your coworkers to not make it seem to customers that come in making it seem like they're stealing or something, because they're not gonna want to come back. And I gave her the concealer and the little spray back, and she just said thank you so much, I will talk to my coworkers, and just went back inside. And then we came to the car. So I'm like, I'm confused. I'm like, I don't know, I didn't take anything. I gave it back to her. It was a concealer and a little spray.
Was it in Sephora or was it outside of
It was
Sephora?
in Sephora.
It was inside?
Yeah, it was in Sephora.
Okay.
Well, we left because we felt like we were just like... Yeah, we just left because I was like, it was like, I mean, me as like a Mexican girl, she was a white girl, so I felt some type of way because she was just walking behind us all the time. And I was like, usually when I go to stores, like nobody's like looking at what I'm doing. And I was like, I told her, I was like, here, like if you think I'm going to steal a concealer, here's the concealer and here's the spray. And I gave it to her in her hands. And she just walked back out. She was like, okay, thank you. I will talk to my coworkers about it. And I was like, okay.
Okay. I think at this point they're just gonna check cameras to make sure that
yeah.
everything's legit.
Yeah.
But appreciate you cooperating.
No, yeah, it's good.
I would have asked you guys if you're supposed to be in school. You look young.
I mean, she's supposed to be at work. I'm currently working too.
So you're not in school?
No, we just graduated recently.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Can I talk to you? To me? Yeah. Can you step out with your purse? Alright, I'll talk to you here. So I just saw video surveillance. So do you want to tell me what you took?
I can take your elbow.
Alright. So here's the thing, like with Kohl's, they want to sign complaints when people steal. So hopefully the rest of the best. So I'm going to be
How long am I gonna be arrested?
it just depends.
And this is why you mind your business. She's digging around the purse. The cop notices it, tells her to stop. The friend wants to butt in. Oh, she's looking for her phone, this and that. That same purse has all the merchandise. You funny how that works? Mind your business. She's a big girl. She can handle it on her own. I don't understand. Friends always gotta butt in each other's business. You see that more. It's more often with girls. You know what I'm saying? With everything, like girls just butting in each other's business. Da 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 da. Like, she's a big girl. She can handle it. Guys are more like, shit, that's him. You know what I'm saying? Shit, he grown man. He can speak for himself. Girls, they always want to speak for each other. And I'd be like, whether you know that she took it or not, it just make you look bad. You know what I'm saying? Because you trying to stick up for her about this whole purse looking for the phone thing. But meanwhile, look at all the goddamn merchandise she got up in there, man. Just if it ain't got nothing to do with you, just drop the conversation and just zip it, you know?
Is there anything in your pockets that belongs to Cold or anything sharp or anything that knives, weapons, drugs, anything?
12223. I just got my vape.
Okay. What's this?
It's just a little pouch it just had. It was a little broken. I don't know why I had it there.
Is there anything else in your clothes that I'm going to find right now?
I just got my vape and then I don't know what I got.
So no other persons are going to pop up?
I think I just got like a couple things that my friend gave me.
What else is in this front right pocket?
I got my vape.
The vape is right there.
I got 2 vapes.
Okay. What's that?
Is that yours or is that Cole's?
That's mine.
That didn't fall off of this?
I don't know.
Okay, so probably. Alright, can you step out so I can talk to you? Yes. Alright, so other than you putting that in your bra, what else did you take?
That's it.
Alright, I'm gonna search you, so put your hands right here. Just put your wallet and phone down. Turn around. You don't have anything else, correct? Okay. How did your friend get that?
What?
How did she get that when it was in your shirt?
She got one.
You got the other one? Where'd you put the other one at?
I'll be real with you. I'm be honest.
Okay, and
That's
there's
me.
nothing else.
There's nothing else.
All right.
I didn't take anything else.
All right, put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, you getting locked up. That's what you get, doing all that talking.
The watch is yours?
Huh?
The watch is yours? Yeah, you'll take your phone. Come to the back. All right, turn this way. All right, spread your feet. What's this? Is that like a vape?
Yeah.
Just gonna put this right here. So other than that, nothing. Nothing. I'm not like your friend. We're not gonna start finding like random stuff everywhere.
I'm not gonna fight you.
Okay.
I'm
No,
being
no,
real
find
with
random
you.
stuff. Okay.
I'm being real with you.
Am I sitting with me? Okay. Can you step out?
Yeah.
All right. Pockets. The jewelry.
I just have this one.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay. All right. Put your hands this way, or lean up against the car. All right. Spread your feet. There's nothing sharp in your pants, in your pockets. All right.
Wait, can I put this on the plastic, please?
So with retail theft, Kohl's is signing complaints.
Mm-hmm.
So with that, what we do is you go down to our station, get fingerprint photographs, and you get released on a NTA and get a complaint.
Could I come back for like my stuff? Or
You're gonna come back for your car?
Uh-huh.
We're gonna get banned from the store.
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Yeah.
The 3 women were charged with retail theft and banned from the Kohl's. Thanks for watching today's.
Can't make this shit up. For a couple of costume jewelry and make like people don't even make no sense, man. Dumb. Young and dumb. That's it. Anyways, I think the officers did a great job, man. I actually like seeing this, you know what I'm saying? All the lady cops, you know what I'm saying, dealing with the ladies and everything like that. Hey, this was a dominantly, you know, female interaction from the cops to the suspects and everything. You know, this is pretty unique, man. Anyway, yeah, so I give the officers a 4, man. I think they did a pretty good job. You know, and they just young and dumb, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.